What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to follow someone on LinkedIn. So you can either find someone by scrolling through your page, and if you find someone that you want to follow or a page that you want to follow, you will see that on the right hand side, on the upper right hand side across from their name, and you can simply tap on follow. Now you can also follow or connect with people by using the search. So at the top there, you can just basically search for whoever. So let's say I want to search for somebody by the name of Andrew. Let's say Andrew Big as an example. I can go ahead and I can search. If there's anybody by the name of that name, then I will be able to find those people. But maybe that name is a bit too unique. So let's try a little. And you will see once I hit search, I'll be able to find people with that name. So as you can see, it finds a few people here. I can tap on the tab there that says people. It's going to find people with that name. So here is, for example, this person here, which is myself or the account. I can tap on the follow there, and as you can see, it says an invitation sent to that person, right? So once that person will accept me, then basically I will be able to follow them or connect with that person, right? And you can always view someone's profile and you can message them and all of those good stuff. So that's how easy it is to follow someone on LinkedIn or connect with someone on LinkedIn.